Fun. Animal superpowers.
Stork birds are the master flying giants of the wetlands, capable of soaring through the sky for hours without flapping their wings. These incredible birds can stand over 4 feet tall with wingspans reaching an amazing 9 feet wide. Storks possess extraordinary navigation skills, making epic migrations of up to 7,000 miles each year without getting lost. These magnificent creatures have super strong beaks that can snap shut with lightning speed to catch slippery prey like fish and frogs. Most storks communicate without making any sounds at all, using elaborate bill-clapping displays that can be heard from far away. Their long, powerful legs allow them to wade through deep water and march across muddy terrain where other birds would get stuck. Storks have incredible eyesight, spotting tiny creatures moving in grass or water from high above. Did you know these smart birds build some of the largest nests in the world for kids to learn about? Some stork nests can weigh up to 2,000 pounds and be used for decades by generations of stork families. These amazing birds have special cooling techniques. They can poop on their own legs. This might sound gross, but it's actually a clever way to cool down when white stork legs get too hot in the blazing sun. The liquid evaporates just like sweat, keeping these clever birds comfortable in hot weather. Storks live across almost every continent, making their homes in wetlands, grasslands, and even on top of buildings in Europe where people love seeing them. In places like Poland, Germany, and the Netherlands, storks often build their massive stick nests on rooftops, chimneys, and specially built platforms where kids learning about wildlife can observe them. Did you know that for thousands of years, people believed storks brought good luck and babies to families? This famous story became one of the most popular ways parents explain to kids where babies come from. In many European countries, storks are considered sacred birds that bring prosperity and happiness to any home where they choose to nest. Scientists studying these fascinating birds for kids on YouTube have discovered that some stork species, like the marabou stork, have learned to follow human farmers plowing fields to catch small animals stirred up by the machinery. This shows how intelligent these trending birds really are, adapting to human activities to find food more easily. While hunting, storks use different methods depending on what they're trying to catch. White storks walk slowly through grass with their beaks pointed down, ready to strike at any movement. The educational marabou stork sometimes works together with other wild animals, creating group hunting strategies that make finding food easier for everyone involved. The world of stork family life is equally fascinating for kids to learn about. These birds are incredible parents, with both mom and dad taking turns caring for their babies. They bring food, protect the nest from predators, and even shade their chicks from the hot sun with their own bodies during scorching summer days. Unfortunately, many stork species face threats from habitat loss, as wetlands are drained for farming and development. Organizations around the world are working to protect these viral video stars by creating artificial nesting platforms and preserving the wild places where storks hunt and raise their families. Next time you watch fun animals for kids on YouTube, remember these amazing birds that have captured human imagination for centuries. Their funny behaviors, impressive size, and friendly nature continue to make them some of the most beloved birds in the animal kingdom. Want to see more educational animal adventures for kids? Subscribe to our channel Fun Animals for Kids, where we bring the most exciting stories and fun animal facts directly to you every week.
Fun. Animal superpowers.
Ornate black-tailed rattlesnakes. Most people think these serpents are mindless killers lurking in shadows, waiting to strike innocent victims. But what if everything you believed about rattlesnakes was completely wrong? What if these misunderstood creatures possess superpowers that would make any superhero jealous? Picture this. Deep in the rocky canyons of Arizona and New Mexico, an ornate black-tailed rattlesnake can detect the heartbeat of a mouse from 20 feet away. These remarkable serpents don't hunt with their eyes like most predators. Instead, they use heat-sensing pits that work like thermal cameras, creating a glowing map of warm-blooded prey in total darkness. It's like having X-ray vision for kids who love incredible animal abilities. These trending masters of survival have ruled desert landscapes for over 20 million years. When threatened, ornate black-tailed rattlesnakes perform an elaborate warning dance, coiling their muscular bodies while their famous tail creates nature's most recognizable alarm system. The rattle contains hollow segments that click together faster than a machine gun, producing sounds that travel for miles across canyon walls. But here's the viral secret that makes these stories even more fascinating. Rattlesnakes are incredible mothers. Female ornate black-tailed rattlesnakes protect their babies for weeks after birth, teaching them essential hunting techniques. These devoted serpent families huddle together in rocky dens during winter months, sharing body heat like a cozy reptilian family reunion. Their diet consists mainly of rodents and small mammals, but their hunting methods showcase pure genius. These patient predators can wait motionless for hours until the perfect moment strikes. Their venom isn't just deadly, it's a complex cocktail that breaks down tissue while preventing blood clotting. Young explorers' ornate black-tailed rattlesnakes prove that even feared creatures deserve our respect and understanding. These desert guardians control rodent populations, maintaining ecological balance in fragile ecosystems. Don't miss more incredible animal adventures on Fun Animals for Kids YouTube channel. Subscribe now for educational content that reveals nature's most amazing secrets.
Fun. Animal superpowers.
The fish that produces electricity to shock its enemies, and the way this creature generates, controls, and weaponizes electricity, is so sophisticated, so precise, that engineers are literally copying it to build better technology. This is not a party trick. This is one of nature's most terrifying and brilliant innovations, and it has been quietly perfecting it for millions of years. This fish is basically a living power outlet. The electric eel. Despite the name, it is not actually an eel at all. It is a knife fish, more closely related to catfish and carp than to true eels. But what it lacks in accurate naming, it more than makes up for in raw, shocking power. A fully grown electric eel can generate a discharge of up to 860 volts. For context, a standard American wall outlet runs at 120 volts. This fish produces 7 times that. 7 times. Evolution built a living battery, and it works. 860 volts, 7 times a standard wall outlet. Electric eels are native to the murky rivers and floodplains of South America, but scientists studying bioelectricity in North America, particularly research teams working out of universities in Tennessee and labs connected to the Smithsonian in Washington, D.C., have spent decades trying to understand exactly how a living creature produces that kind of power without destroying itself in the process. Here is the answer. And it is stunning. Roughly 80% of an electric eel's body is dedicated solely to electricity production. Thousands upon thousands of specialized cells called electrocytes are stacked along its body, like biological batteries wired in series. Each cell produces only a tiny charge on its own, but stacked together, synchronized perfectly, firing in coordinated waves, they produce a jolt powerful enough to stun a horse or kill a human. 80% of its body is basically a battery. Each cell is tiny. Together they're deadly. But here's what separates the electric eel from just being terrifying. It is also extraordinarily precise. If this is lighting up your curiosity, go ahead and hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps us keep making videos like this one. The electric eel operates 3 distinct electrical organs simultaneously. The first produces low-voltage pulses, used like sonar, sending out electrical signals that bounce off nearby objects, painting a detailed picture of its dark, murky environment. Essentially built-in radar. The second produces medium-voltage pulses used for communication with other electric eels. And the third, the main discharge organ, delivers the high-voltage knockout blow reserved for hunting and self-defense. 3 systems, 3 purposes. 1 fish, radar, communication, weapon, all in one animal. And its hunting strategy is even more calculated than scientists initially believed. Recent research revealed that before delivering a killing shock, the electric eel fires a rapid series of high-frequency pulses that involuntarily activate the muscles of its prey, causing the hidden animal to twitch, revealing its location. The eel is essentially remote controlling its prey's body before it even strikes. It finds you, it freezes you, then it finishes the job. It remote controls its prey before striking. What's more, electric eels can curl their body into a shape that doubles the voltage delivered to a target, a behavior only discovered within the last decade. An animal that has been studied for centuries still had secrets left to give. Scientists are now using the eel's electrocyte structure as a blueprint for flexible, biological-inspired batteries that could one day power implantable medical devices inside the human body. A river predator, becoming a medical breakthrough. The more we learn about animals, the more surprising the natural world becomes. From river predator to medical innovation. Next, another animal running on abilities science is still trying to fully explain.